let me try to start the manage server 3. So I have connected to the admin server. My node manager is running. I'm starting the manage server 3. Now you see that, check that it is running in localhost 1227 actually. But for the manage server 1 it has given a different one, because because our admin server 1, manage server 1, manage server 2 are assigned to machine 1, manage server 3, manage server 4, manage server 5 is assigned to machine 2. So for this you need a node manager to be running in what are the listening port. So how come how come this start command is getting this detail, so to which port it has to listen. So in this case, for example, if you want to change it to different port, instead of 557, if you want to change to 558, so all those information you can able to change it from the admin console. So I'm going to connect to the admin console. Admin console is the one like which you can do all the configuration for the WebLogic server. So I'm logging in. So in the consoles you can see all the servers, clusters and machines. So I'm going for the machines. So here first I show machine 1. In the node manager you'll see like what is the listen port, and because of that only it is looking for the machine should be running in a node manager should be running in this address, in this listen address and listen port. And you can see in the servers tab what are the servers get assigned. Okay, now it has only admin server 1, admin server, manage server 1, manage server 2. And in the machine 2 you will see the what are the servers get assigned, that is machine 3, manage server 3, manage server 4, manage server 5. And in the node manager you will see like it is, if it is a default means it will be a log, I mean like 127.0.0.1. In this case its listen port is 557. Okay, these machine controls are used very much in the distributed environment. Like if you have the clusters where your one server is running in a machine 1 and another one server is machine 2, and you can use these machines to start it up. I can show all those things in the next video, how to create a distributed environment and to start all those things. As of now I'm going to keep this machine to running in the same machine. Let me put the IP address right now, and the port, listen port will be like a 558. I'm saving it. Okay, I have saved it. Let me try to start it again. Now also it failed, but you can see like the port number and IP address and port number has changed. For this scenario I'm going to show changing the node manager properties and start the node manager. This is 5558. So I have changed the node manager properties. Now I'm going to start the node manager. Okay, so now you see that node manager started in this IP address and start listening in this port 558. Now let's try to start the manage server 3 again. Okay, so you can see the actual what is the status it's going on in the node manager output also. So it's trying to start the manage server 3. Yeah, success. Now the manage server 3 is started successfully. If you want to shut it down, you can use the shutdown ms3. Okay, so we have seen how to start the admin server, manage servers, node manager from the WLST. Now I will show how to start the clusters. Like in our cluster 1 we have manage server and manage server has to be started. So if I issue a command to start the cluster 1, it will internally start both the manage servers. So start cs1 cluster. Remember that if you want to start any cluster or manage server from the WLST, you need the node manager has to be running. You have to admin server has to be running, and you should connect to the admin server. And after that only you have to issue these commands. So before issuing the comma, like starting the servers from outside the domain, you need the manage servers to be started at least once in the command prompt. Yeah, now all the servers are started in the cluster 1, CS1 are started successfully. So you can see ms1, ms2, and even in node manager output you can see ms2 is running now, ms1 is also running now. Okay, so now let's try to stop the cluster. So similarly, same cluster 1, type is cluster. So you no need to provide for managed servers. By default it will take it as a server. So yeah, we have issued and it is successful actually. So in this, let's see, like, yeah, ms1 server was shut down normally. There was a problem with ms2. That's not an issue for of now. Okay, now we have seen how to start these managed server clusters, node manager, admin server from the WLST of the same machine. Now I will show how to start these servers from the remote machines. For this I have a Linux machine where the WLST is running. Basically, if you want to start any servers from, I mean, like a managed server, cluster of servers, you need the admin server and node manager has to be running in locally. Let me first try to connect to the admin server. We have connected to the admin server. Let's try to use the command start ms1. So this is the same command, this is the same procedure which we used in the Windows machine. For this you need an admin server and node manager has to be running in the domain where it is there, and you need WLST has to be connected to an admin server. Yeah, now the start ms1 is success, and shut down the ms1. So this is pretty straightforward to start and stop the managed servers, and even similar to the cluster also the start CS1. Now we will see how to start these servers through the node manager commands. Node manager commands come in handy like where for restarting the server in failed state and all. So as of now I'm going to show some basics of the usage. For this you no need for the admin server has to be running, but for before starting the node manager command you need to enroll your I mean like a machine to that domain, and after that for that you need a admin server has to be running. Okay, as of now my admin server is running in Windows machine. Let me try to enroll the this Linux machine to the Windows machine domain. So for that I need to connect to a admin server. Now we are connected to an admin server. Let's try to enroll this Linux machine to that domain. So the command is num enroll and the directory name. So this is enrolling the this machine. So what it will do means like it will pull up all the node manager related credentials to this directory. Let's examine this directory actually. So ls num enr. So you see the config security. You can see that that node manager config and security, these all these credential related stuffs will come over here. Oh, okay. Now let me start the admin server in my Windows machine. Yes, we have we have stopped the admin server. Now we have only node managers running in the Windows machine. Okay. Now let's get back to the Linux machine. I'm going to start the WLST again. Okay, we have enrolled this Linux machine to the domain. Okay, now for this okay, before start using this in a node manager command you need to connect to the node manager actually. uh, the command is num connect, and you have to give the node manager admin user admin password. What is the listen address, port number, and the domain name. Okay, I'm just connecting it. Yeah, we have connected it. To check the status, num will say like what it is doing. I mean, what is the status of the current num where it is connected. So it connected to the domain, test domain. Okay, now we'll try to start the admin server. Okay, now we are going to we have just issued a command called nm start, where I passed the server name admin server. So in this case my server name is admin server. Suppose if your server name is